Hi guys, welcome back. So we're back today with another cooking video. What are we going to be making, guys?
The Magic Kingdom, the cheeseburger spring rolls. Oh yeah.
Our favorite, one of our favorite, like a lot of people, favorite snack at Disney World. So we have all the ingredients and we're going to get started. So we have all our ingredients here. So what we need is about a pound of ground beef, half of a white onion, but we're going to use a whole one because we like onions, so more onions the better. Half a cup of dill pickles, about 4 ounces of velveeta cheese, about 1 to 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. We're going to put in a couple shots of Worcestershire sauce. We have a package of egg roll wrappers. We're using egg roll wrappers and not spring roll wrappers. We just prefer them, so that's what we're going to use. Salt and pepper to taste. And we have the pot ready with the oil, and we're using canola oil to deep fry. We're all set up. Mike and Mia are going to chop up the pickles, and I'm going to chop the onion. So let's get going. Let's get chopping. We have about a cup of dill pickles, and it's probably about the same thing, about a cup of chopped onion. We put in more because we love pickles and onions, so why not? So it's best just go by your own taste. So now Miss Mia is gonna start. You're gonna get it? Get the onion. So we have the pan ready. I put a little bit of olive oil in there. So Mia's gonna put in the onion in the pan. Alright, so we put the onion in, so now I'm just going to put, I like to season my onions, even though the meat is going to be seasoned, but I put some salt and pepper directly on the onions as I saute. So the onions are starting to get nice and brown, and they're nicely sweated out, so we're going to get ready to throw in the beef. So we're putting in the beef. We're going to put in some salt and pepper. And now we're going to put in some Worcestershire. So you can see how much liquid there is and fat to drain. So we're going to put that in the strainer and drain it up good. So I dumped it out. I dried up all the excess oil and liquid, and now I have the meat in here in the strainer, and I'm just going to mix it around and strain it really, really well. When I push down on it, I'm just mixing it up a bit, because you want to get as much of the liquid out as possible. You want it to be more dry because you don't want your egg rolls to be wet. So we put the meat back on, we turn the heat on, and now we have our plate of velveeta. We got the velveeta sliced cheese. So we open them up, and Mia's gonna throw them in, and I'm gonna stir. So there we have it. We put in all the cheese, and look at how amazing that looks. It's all nice and melted. We're going to turn off the heat, and we're going to put it in a bowl and let it cool. Okay, so I'm going to put this in here. So what we're going to do actually is, while it's still warm, we're going to put in the pickles and the mustard. Pickles. Say about 1 to 2 tablespoons of mustard. Let me just show it first.
Oh, that creamy goodness. Oh, so sweet.
So now Mike and Mia are going to do a taste test and see how it is. So go ahead.
There it is. Oh, liquor? Oh, yeah. That's good, just like that. I'm good to go.
Yeah.
That's so good.
So the mustard's good, the amount of mustard? Perfect. All
Oh,
right.
yeah.
So
You gotta try it. I'm gonna let you try it.
okay. When does it think
Is that good?
so good? The cheese like that is really makes a difference.
Yeah, mix it up.
Mixing it in with it, because I've seen some recipes where it said like sharp shredded cheddar. I even seen some people put like the slice of the cheese like in the egg roll and then put the meat on top. And we went with the Tim Tracker and Jen Tracker's recipe. They threw in velveeta and mixed it all in, which is what it looks like on the actual egg rolls. It looks like it's all combined. The cheese is combined with the meat and everything.
Yeah, that. No.
And we have a lot of pickles. People don't like that many pickles.
Yeah, well, like you say, it's
But
to
you
your
put it-
taste.
You put it to your taste.
Like we know we like it more mustardy and pickly, so we're okay to get away with it.
Same thing. So.
So you don't cut back half the portion.
All right. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna let it sit and let it cool a little bit because it's still a little warm. So we'll let it cool, and then we're gonna start assembling our egg rolls. All right. So now we have the meat sitting and it's cooling off. And what I'm gonna do is I have a stack of egg roll wrappers. As you can see, they're kind of tiny. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it down and I'm going to try and make them a little bit bigger. So that way they're a little bigger and easier to manage. Okay, so we're going to just try this out because I don't know, it doesn't seem to be really spreading out very much. So, okay, so we're going to try this. I'm going to put it towards me, make like a diamond shape. So let's put, I don't know, because I gotta fold it. This is too much. I don't want to put too little. So I tested it. Test it with this. So, I put a bowl of water. So now what I'm gonna do, is go like this. Okay. And just a little bit smaller. And then I'll just put some everything like that. Oh, that looks really good. Oh, they're so cute. Look at this. Pretty good. We got our little technique down, eh, Mia? Mm-hmm. Maybe you're... No, that's good.
Oh, really good.
Yeah, see? Once you get the little technique. So, here they are. We're not done yet. We still have some more. So, but they look pretty good. They're just a little bit smaller because they are egg roll wrappers. So, I guess 2 of them would make 1. But that's fine. They're more like bite-sized ones. But they're turning out good. Alright, so all our egg rolls are done. Look at them. They look like little cannolis almost. Actually, the meat fell perfect with the amount of egg roll wrappers we had. So that's it. So now I have my cookie tray ready. I lined it with foil and paper towel. So as I fry them, I take them out, put them on here to drain. And the oil's been on for a little bit, so it should be ready to go. So we're gonna get ready to start frying. Okay, so we're all done. I forgot to mention before I started frying was the oil. Like, you need to have enough oil in for it to completely cover the egg rolls as they go in. They have to be able to submerge into the oil so that they can completely deep fry. You don't want to be frying one side and the other. So this is my big pot that I usually use for sauce, and I filled it halfway with oil. So, and the heat, I don't have a thermometer. I've never used a thermometer to test the temperature of my oil. I've never done that. I just go, like, I turned it, I had it on at 7 to begin, and then I lowered it to 6, and it was perfect. So just a little tip. And now this is killing me. I gotta clean up after we try them. So here they are. This is the last batch cooling off. All the rest are over here. Can't wait to dig in. Alright guys, so we're finished. Now,
It looks so good.
this is the taste test. Are you
There
ready?
you
Go. Oh god. I got like the pickle. I really like cheeseburger.
Big difference when you're mixing the cheese with the meat right away.
Yes, it is.
Look at it, doesn't it break apart? Oh my god, so good.
Awesome. Oh yeah, the only difference is I used eggroll wrappers instead of spring roll wrappers. But
Texture.
we like, because I make usually, it's a recipe of Mike's. We make like these like little bagel bags for like the holidays, and it's with egg roll wrappers. So we like them. I find they're a little more sturdy too, right?
Yeah.
So we use them, and they were a little bit smaller. They're smaller than the spring rolls, but still, no, the taste is awesome. But yeah.
Like I say, the base is there. The taste is what? How much mustard, pickles, and onions you add. That, you want half a cup, no pickles at all, whatever. That's not going to change the recipe. That's all purpose and all taste.
You want another one? Yeah.
So yeah.
Alright, so I just wanted to show you the inside. Look at that. It's nice and full. We packed it in pretty good, and we put in as much meat as we could. So, filling meat. So, I think these were a hit. I think, yeah, maybe like add more cheese.
Maybe a little bit more cheese. Maybe another like half, like maybe another 12 slices kind of thing.
I don't even know how many slices we didn't even count.
The whole pack was 24.
Yeah, but we used some. We had already used some from the pack, so. Because it says 4 ounces, but it was more than that because I remember calculating and it was more, so we ate some, but
Everything's perfect. I'm just talking about
good,
fine tuning it here. Listen.
We're fine tuning it, add more cheese, and we're gonna cut down on the pickles a little bit less pickles, and cut even smaller.
Yeah, but this is just being
this just being,
perfectionist on this.
yeah. So
So
that's it. So we finally did it. We made our spring rolls.
Oh, I'm so proud of them. They look so good.
Well, so yeah, so that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed following along with us on this egg roll journey.
Cheeseburger.
On these cheeseburger egg rolls. So I'm gonna put the recipe that we did. I'm gonna put it in the description. So yeah, so we're really happy about that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We have a lot more videos we've been putting up. We haven't done too many cooking. We wanted to do more. This is our second one, but
let us know, what do you think?
Yeah, let us know if you like them, what you don't like about them maybe. But
whatever.
Let us know, and if you would like to see some more cooking videos. And that's it. So have a great day, guys. See you next time. Bye.